this deal is crazy awesome. So if you come to Meijer, we have these new Outshine smoothies. They're 4-count pouches. There's different kind. There's like the blueberry pear, the peach raspberry. We have pear vanilla. These are normally priced at $4.49. They are on sale for buy one, get one free. So grab 2 of them. And then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $4.49 back on 2. So it makes 2 of them completely free after rebate. This is awesome. Now, I think we're going to try the peach raspberry and the blueberry pear. Alright, so we have some pretty amazing things happening with the Breyers ice creams. So there is a 3-off-1 coupon for this. It's normally priced $5.29, but it's going to be $3.99 on sale. With the 3-off-1 in perk, you're going to get this for 99 cents. We're definitely going to grab 1 of these, but if you want to keep going, you can grab 2 more. We have a buy one, get one coupon as well. So you could end up grabbing 3 ice creams for roughly $5, which is not a bad deal at all. Not the best deal in the whole wide world, but we have these Pop-Tart 8-count, normally priced $2.99, on sale just $2 each when you buy 2. We're going to try the frosted cupcake, confetti cupcake. I've never had these before. My kids have never had these before. Are these new? Because I do not recognize them. But we're going to try them out. I'm going to grab 2 of them. And not a bad deal. So this is an amazing deal here. These Cracker Barrel bites are normally priced at $1.99, but they're part of the 7 for 7 sale, so they're just $1 each when you purchase 7 or more participating items. And on top of it, we have 75 cents back from Ibotta, a limit of 5 times. So you're gonna grab up to 5 of these for 25 cents each. This is an amazing, great little snack to grab. I cannot wait. Peppers here for just $1, part of the 7 for 7. We even have some Eckrich Franks for just $1. I also wanted to highlight the Applegate Farms beef franks. They're normally priced $6.49, but they're just $2.99 on sale. It's a really great price. Super cheap pasta sauce here with the Meijer pasta sauce, normally $1.49, just part of the 7 for 7, so $1 each. This is a great time to stock up. 50% savings here on some of these Sucker Punch pickle bags here. They're normally $1.99, just $1 each with the 7 for 7. Meijer broths are also going to be just $1 each with the 7 for 7 sale. We have tons of different Star Kiss Tuna Creation packets for just $1, part of the 7 for 7 sale, normally priced at $1.45. Meijer mustards also just $1 each with the 7 for 7 sale. You can get lots of different kinds here. We also have a really great deal here on some snack double zipper bag, 40 count, normally priced $1.99, just $1. I also have a coupon that was sent to me in the mail to go with this. I think it's 75 cents off, so I'm going to definitely grab one of these. Like I said, 75 cents, that's going to make this bag just 25 cents. This is a really great deal. Now, this is a good reason why you should make sure that you not only have a Meijer InPerks card, but that you actually put your address in, because you're going to get things sent to you that you can use in the store to save even more money. Lance crackers, you have 6 packs of 4 sandwiches for just $1 each, normally priced at $1.59. Now, I've been talking about how sad it is we can't get the goldfish for $1 anymore, but I guess you can get the little tiny boxes for $1, part of the 7 for 7. Here's another one I think is a really great deal. So 3 packs of Meijer popcorn are just going to be $1 each with the 7 for 7 sale, normally priced $1.69. We have the movie theater, the extra butter, the touch of butter, and the kettle corn. We have the ice, or sparkling ice drinks here, normally priced $1.15, just $1. This is a favorite for my husband who has jumped back into keto. 1.25 ounce liters of Coke products are just part of the 7 for 7 sale. If you do some math there, it's going to be $2 for 2 of them, which is more than 2 liters, which is going to be a little bit cheaper than just getting a 2 liter in itself. We have Body Armor drinks as well as Powerade drinks for just $1. These are more options for your 7 for 7. Probably my most exciting find is the Rock Stars are just $1 each, 7 for 7 sale. A lot of times when I come to Meijer with this kind of sale, they're usually completely cleared out, but it looks like we're fully stocked and ready to go. So more 7 for 7 here. We have the Mickey Angeles, or however you say it. They're just $1 each, normally priced $1.45. Don't forget some Green Giant here. We have lots of different vegetables for just $1. Also, I haven't found any tags, but it is in the ad that Skechers are buy one, get one for $1 this week. So you could get some really good deals on some shoes, especially if you have multiple people in your family that are needing some new shoes.